Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is 0x800700a1. So while updating your Windows 11, if you are receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on system, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Now over here you can see Windows Update, click on Run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With background intelligent transfer service selected over here, click on restart the service. Now, once done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now click on accept and install. But if this is not opening, then go to File Explorer, then go to Downloads and then make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list. Then click on Apply, click on OK, make a double click and you should be able to open Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Accept and Install. Now still you are receiving error message. In that case, reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Open Notepad on your computer and then paste all the commands in Notepad and then go to File, then click on Save As. Set the location as desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat and then for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wufix file, make a right click, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you are opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take time. And once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now, in case if nothing is working, the last step is to use media creation tool. So go to this website. This website is provided in the video description. It will take you to the same website. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked.
When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps should help you to install the Windows update successfully on your Windows 11 computer, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.